Did you get that?
I got that.
Oh my gosh. You have to give me $1,000 now!
Okay.
Do you take a check? We got a whole box of
You
checks.
got Venmo?
My dad has tons of money!
Yeah, thanks, baby.
Hey, yo, Cash App.
Okay, then you should keep showing it!
Somebody give Kate the rope.
You came through so we
He's
can
still,
go.
he is
Can keep my hands on myself. Pick up, dust them off, put them back up on the shelf. Kiss my little baby girl is in need. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks. I've been feeling it since 1966.
We're going to the lake.
This is what we're doing.
First family trip of 2021.
It's 63 degrees outside. Guys, do the math on the water.
It's gonna be chilly.
It's not rocket surgery. I'm so scared.
Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Got another mouth to feed. Leave it with the babies till the mama call the grave digger. Gone with the falling leaves. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might have had your fill, but I feel it still.
You did it, bro. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Take this. Now it's important to concentrate. All right, ease her up.
Pick up, dust them off, put them back up on the shelf. Kiss my little baby girl is in need. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Got another mouth to feed. Leave it with the babies till the mama call the grave digger. Gone with the falling leaves. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1960.
Shut up! Shut up! I like your voice.
Where's my here? Just put that there.
Right. Yeah, Dad, you gotta go straight. You're gonna bring it.
Kelly, I love how they tell you to drive the
I
boat.
know. It's like he's controlling the boat from back there.
You good? Alright, go. What? Go! Go! Go!
Gone with the falling leaves. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might have had your fill, but I feel it still. Ooh,
Yes. Yes. That's what we do. We go to work, we get off, we run out here. That's how we do it.
Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, feel it still. We could fight a war for peace. Give in to that easy living, goodbye to my hopes and dreams. Stop flipping for my enemies. We could wait until the walls come down. It's time to give a little to the kids in the middle. Oh, till it falls, won't bother me. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks. Yeah, your lovers and abyss for my heart to eclipse now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Might have had your fill, but I feel it still.
It's like 60-something degrees outside, so that means the water's -4.
Just in case, just use this one.
I'm already on. And action. Fix the ponytail. Gotta be looking fly. Okay, it is Friday, July 30th. We're closing out the month of July with a quick lake trip. It is 4:44 p.m. I've worked today, and we've decided to go to the lake. So we're gonna stay out there until the sun goes down and then some.
Cade's a Bigfoot. Hey, let me tell you guys a secret. Cade is a poopy head.
I got it.
Straight from the source. All right, so it is August the 15th, and we are out here shaking off some rust, trying to get back in the groove of things. We've been a little busy, but so far so good. I've not done so well on the board. We've actually all kind of crashed and burned a little bit, but that's okay. And we're all have had a good set, and so we're getting some supplies, or Kate is, and then we will be headed back out and eventually pick up the Lamberts and try to get them on the boards too. So stay tuned.
Meeting time. Stay tuned.
As we make our last leg to the lake, Kate is putting the ice in the cooler in the boat right now. And now they're getting back in the truck. So we about to be going to the lake. Yay.
Just totally cut me out of the shot.
Where my sport drink? Yeah. It's been a successful day. Successful day.
Say Irish wristwatch.
Irish wristwatch.
Now say it's been a successful day.
Successful day.
Successful day.